Question number 1. What is the meaning of the word computer? Answer: calculating machine or device. Next question. What is the full form of computer? Answer: commonly operating machine purposely used for technical and education research. Next question. Who is the father of the modern computer? Answer: Charles Babbage. Next question. How many types of computer memory? Answer: computer memory mainly two types. Computer memory is mainly of two types, one primary and another is secondary memory. Next question. The brain of any computer system is? Answer: CPU, Central Processing Unit. Next question. Which company made the first hard disk? Answer: IBM, International Business Machines. 1 KB is equal to? Answer: 1 KB is equal to 1024 byte. Next question. 1 GB is equal to how many MB? Answer: 1024 MB. Next question. The smallest unit of data in a computer is? Answer: bit. Next question. WW stand for? Answer: World Wide Web. Next question. In the computer system, one nibble is equal to? Answer: 4 bits. Next question. 1 byte is equal to? Answer: 8 bits. Next question. URL stand for? Answer: Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. CPU stands for? Answer: Central Processing Unit. Next question. GUI stands for? Graphical User Interface. Next question. ALU stands for? Answer: Arithmetic Logic Unit. Next question. OMR stand for? Answer: Optical Mark Reader. Next question. USB stands for? Answer: Universal Serial Bus. Next question. CD-ROM stand for? Answer: Compact Disc Read Only Memory. Next question. Which one of these is also known as read and write memory? Answer: RAM, Random Access Memory. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video.